Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sell your own digital products on Amazon. Whether it's an ebook, a guide, or another type of digital file, you can publish and sell it directly through Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform, also known as Amazon KDP. So let's jump right in. Right now, I'm on Amazon.com, and as you can see, there are plenty of digital products listed. We have ebooks, beginner's guides, productivity planners, and many more. These are created and uploaded by regular people, just like you. Now let's go over how to publish your own digital product. To start selling, you'll need to create a free account on Amazon KDP. You can sign up using your existing Amazon account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive on the KDP dashboard. This is where your digital products will appear once created. You'll also see tabs like Bookshelf, Reports, Marketing, and more. These will help you manage and promote your products. To begin, click on the Create button. Now you'll choose what type of product you want to create: a Kindle ebook, a paperback, a hardcover, or a series page. Let's say we want to publish a Kindle ebook. Click on Kindle ebook. Under ebook details, you'll enter information like title and subtitle, language, series name, if any, edition number, author and contributors, description, publishing rights. Choose public domain only if it applies. You'll also select the primary audience, reading age, marketplace, and category. For example, if you're publishing a productivity guide, you can choose business and money, general. Add some keywords so your book appears in search results, then click Save and Continue. Now we're in the content section. Here, you'll upload the manuscript of your ebook, the cover of your ebook. If you already have your book written, upload the manuscript file here. Next, you can either upload your own custom cover or use the cover creator tool built into KDP. It offers several templates and lets you customize fonts, layout, and colors. Once your cover is ready, click Preview to see how your book will look on Kindle devices. If everything looks good, click Save and Continue. Now it's time for pricing. You'll decide whether to enroll in KDP Select, optional, choose your primary marketplace, usually Amazon.com, and set your price. For example, if other books in your category are selling for around $25, you can set yours competitively. Once you enter the price for one region, Amazon will automatically adjust the price for other countries. You'll also select a royalty option, typically 35% or 70% depending on the pricing and distribution terms. Once everything is filled out, click Publish. Amazon will now review your submission. It may take up to 72 hours for your digital product to go live. Before publishing, make sure your account details like payment method and tax info are complete, or else your book may be delayed. And that's it. That's how you can sell digital products on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss our future tutorials.